Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the Riverstone RV and I'm going to be installing a brand new heater that I bought for my basement. So it's called the Xtreme Heater, and it's a bilge heater, so they normally are used for marine or boats, but here's all list of all the uses that they have. They're great for RV basements, but this thing is a small little powerhouse. They do have a couple different options available. I opted for the 800 watt. They even have a 400 watt for smaller compartments, but here's a little bit of overview. They do offer a 2-year warranty on them. It is a sealed unit, so you can't do any of the work yourself on it, but you just send it in and they'll fix it for you. As you can see, it's a pretty small footprint. It's not that big. I mean, that's my hand. So, but boats, RVs, pump houses, enclosures, chicken coops. Anyway, doesn't need a lot of room, and it can be mounted. You can mount it however you want, upside down, literally any way you want. The only thing that they suggested on the manufacturer is to the air inlet. You basically just want to have, like, say the wall is, just keep a distance of about that much or so, and then this side is where the warm air pumps out. So you could put it, for instance, like right there, and then it could push out and cover everything. All right, so yeah, it's got a 2-year warranty, which you can see right there, full 2-year warranty. It's got a 15-foot marine cord, which is great, and it's just a standard plug-in. Let's see here, I'm just trying to cover some stuff for you guys. There's a few more things on it if you want to pause it and see it, but long story short, this will, when it's cold, if it hits 40 degrees, this will kick on, and it will stay on up to, it says 50 in the, like, it says 50 on the back sheet on the warranty registration, but then when you're online it says 55 degrees, so it's give or take like 5 degrees. But anyways, I'm putting it in my basement, which you can see what I'm trying to protect in the winter. I've got all this hosing and stuff, which I took off that panel off of there, and then of course I've got all of this as well. So yeah, it's a giant mess that you want to protect when you have a RV, and everything water related. So anyway, I'm probably just going to mount it real easy. So anyway, let me throw you on the tripod and we'll get it mounted. Alright, so first things first, like I say, before you mount it, register your warranty on it. So just scan the QR code, go on there, type in the serial, and then you're good to go. Next, you want to take off the plastic, and then I'm going to undo the cord, but I'm actually going to save the twisty here. I'm going to use it because I'm not going to need all 15 feet. Like I say, I'm not permanently securing this. They did send some screws in the box, which I don't plan on screwing it down. They also have these quick release brackets for easy seasonal removal for storage. It literally just slides in and snaps, but the bracket stays. I don't anticipate doing that either. I'm just gonna set it in there. One more thing that they said to do every season is get some freeze spray, and what you do is you spray it right here. So where it says use freeze spray to test, you just spray the thermostat for 1.5 seconds, And once this is turned in, it shows that it's green, which, so I got it turned on. You can see the green light here. They said it'll do this just for a minute, and then this fan is really, really powerful. So this is just like, I guess, initializing it, and then it, so green is standby, red is heating, orange is cooling, and green blink is self-test. So once it goes solid, it's standing by until it's time. So as you can see now, so once this hits 40 degrees right here, that sucker will turn on, and it'll stay on till 50, 55 degrees. And then it shuts off. When it shuts off, it actually still sends the heat off of this. It continues to send it out to conserve the energy you already paid for. But they're very energy efficient as well. So anyway, but yeah, unbox it, run it through that. I don't have the freeze spray, but I am gonna get some. So I could do a video on that later and link it in the description. But I'm literally just gonna move it and set it over there, so I'm gonna take you with me. See if we can, it's not gonna be any fancy install. Mainly just wanted to provide an overview. Alright. So, take you with me here. Get my light. Alright, so I know it's a little dark in here, so bear with me. What I'm trying to decide is the air comes in here and it comes out over on this other end. So I'm trying to force the air. See if you can see with me here. There's a hole where all these pipes go. There you go. Back in that hole back there. I mainly want all the air to travel in that hole and all the way back through the RV. So I'm thinking if I leave this panel off here, which I've got it right here, if I leave that off and just maybe set this, don't really want any of the wires or anything against it. So I'm kind of thinking I could set it like, sorry, it's really tight in here. I could set it in here, but the actual furnace is over there. So I think I'm just going to temporarily set it there. They did say to mount it where you can see the light. So this is important, so you can know that it's functioning. I also don't want to mount it back there, because if I do, it's going to pull air out of the house there, out of the RV. It'll pull air out of the inside, pull it through into the furnace, and then the air is going to be warmer, and then this won't kick on. So I'm figuring if I leave this door open, leave this panel off, set it there, we'll be good. So I think I'm just going to do it like that for now, temporarily, and then I'll put all my stuff in here. So for now, until I test it, this is what I'm going to do, and then I'll update you guys as time goes. We'll see how it's operating and if it's kicking on, and the idea is to use this and be able to use more of the electric fireplaces versus using the propane. So but if this video has helped you, or you're interested in the Xtreme heaters, check them out. They're nice, worth the money, but make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. And thanks for watching.